Okay, project number 9,997. We're going to finish up the flooring in the Marinette today. So I went ahead and got underneath the galley table. It's all done. And I've got the flooring in the salon area all done. So now we're just going to come through. This is the only section of the boat that actually has the parquet flooring in it. So I'm going to be actually taking this up because some of it's actually starting to come up now. The glue's getting old. So we're going to be taking that up and then putting down some new linoleum flooring. And I did go ahead and do the head. I've got the head all done as well. I've got that done. And that turned out really nice in there. So now all we have to do is take care of this right here, and all the flooring will be totally complete. And there's a little piece of carpet in there. We'll take that up. There's a sliding door right here that we're going to be getting some of that trimmed down and away from the door so we can take that carpet up. And here we go. So there's the trim. So now we're going to start taking the floor off. You shouldn't take but just a few minutes. minutes later, all the flooring is up. Gotta take my little hatch handle off, and then I'll be able to take the rest of this here off. And then we'll start measuring and getting ready to put down linoleum. Yep, gotta get a small screwdriver. Well, let's go take a tour after we've got the flooring done. I've got a couple hatches in here. First one is right down here. That's how I get to my two valves. One's for the toilet to flush with raw water, and the other one is my air conditioner supply pump. So took a little time to work around a couple hatches, and I've got two more hatches here and here. That is for my shower sump and also access to my front bilge pump. But all in all, worked out pretty good. That's all going to be attached to those hatches, so they won't move. Everything else is going to be floating. So I did redo the galley table. That is with that black hammered Rustoleum. I think it turned out fantastic. Really like the way it looks. And we're also going to do the countertops same way. And also the head, the countertop and the head is going to be all the same way. So all in all, I think it turned out fantastic, everybody. And for a little work, I also did the little mirror anchor. That is the hammered black as well. Has a really cool texture to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's just really cool. I really like it. It's just not your normal look. It has a little bit of a like a marbleish texture to it, which I like it. It's really nice. Really nice indeed. So far, everything is coming along really well. The flooring here is pretty much my last main project for this summer. And then I'm going to be doing a little bit more in the engine room this fall when it cools off a little bit. Gonna be putting some 12 volt LED lights in the engine room, because there is some much needed lighting in there. Can't wait to get the kitchen countertop done. I think that's gonna really make things kind of pop with the flooring. Got this little coffee maker, and if you have never tried an air fryer, oh my gosh, those things are phenomenal. They are absolutely great for the size that they are, so you don't have to have an oven. It works wonderful. My wife got that, and I'm well pleased. Actually, it was my daughter's idea, and she got it first, and we said, hey, we'll try it on a boat, and we are so glad that we did so. Man, I've got all my work projects, stuff out there, flooring, toolboxes. And I'm getting ready to head down into the engine room. Gonna be doing some fuel filter changes and checking some other things out while I'm down there. So guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for coming back and watching my channel. I sure do appreciate it. I'm really getting close to 1,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. Thank you to all that has subscribed. And I try to put out videos every week if I can. And I hope you guys enjoying them. Because my main goal is, I'm just doing it for myself, and if I can help somebody else out, make their boat, make their life, make their vehicles last a little bit longer, that's what I like to do. So here it is, guys. Thanks for coming along today, and we'll see you soon. Bye.